Shiplap is a classic look that instantly turns a blank wall into a stylish focal point, and it's so easy to install. You can do it in one afternoon. Here's what you'll need. First, measure the wall space so you'll know how much shiplap you'll need for the project. Divide the height of each wall by the width of the board you plan to use. For example, a wall that's 96 inches tall would require 16 rows of 6-inch wide shiplap. Before getting started, remove outlet covers, switch plates, and any nails from the wall. If there's existing molding you plan to use again, pry it off carefully. Then, using a stud finder, mark the location of each stud along the wall. Next, make a level horizontal line indicating the bottom edge of your starter row at the top of the wall. If the first row is level, the rest of your installation will be too. To install the first row, line up the top edge of the first board with the guideline you created, making sure the shiplap either lays on or overlaps a stud. Use adhesive to glue the board down first, or have a partner hold it in place. Then, nail through the top and bottom of each board where it crosses a stud. Continue the process until you finish the starter row. Placement is important as you move down the wall. Be sure to stagger the cut ends from row to row. Cut the boards to fit at the beginning or end of a row, if necessary. If two boards meet at the same stud, position the first piece halfway onto the stud and install it. Then, install the next piece on the same stud. Continue this process until the wall is complete. Finally, add matching baseboards and molding using construction adhesive or finishing nails. With its clean lines and simple installation, it's easy to see why shiplap is so popular. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.